Okay, so I got hounded in the mail several times. I've never actually heard of this company, Ollo, or however you pronounce it. But what they have on this paper, they have a zero introductory APR for 9 months from the date your account is opened. And that's for balance transfers and stuff. Regular interest rate is 19.99%, so that's actually cheaper than many of the rates that I have now, especially Merrick, especially Merrick Bank, which I've canceled that card and going to figure out a way. There's only like $1,135.39 owed on it, I believe. I'm going to try to figure out a way to put that onto this card at 0% interest and see if I can make some headway to pay it off earlier. Or I may like combine the two smallest cards or something. I don't know. The thing is, I'll figure out some way to use this to my advantage, and I will update you on that. But the card has no annual fee. It's got pretty good deal actually for the most part. So I will see if it's any good or not. On the balance transfer, it's $5 or 4% of the amount of each balance transfer. So you'd want to do one transfer for the entire shebang and be done with it. But 4% of $1,100 is what, $44? So that's technically, I would save more than that by doing this and not keep making the payments to Merrick Bank. And the cash advance is $10 fee or 5% of each amount. They do have a $39 late fee. Anyway, this is not, with a capital N, additional credit. This is only to be used to transfer more expensive credit to a 0% for 9 months and a much cheaper rate after that. And who knows, maybe I can get them to extend that 9 months for another 9 months. I don't know. But even if they won't, it's cheaper. $19.99 is cheaper than the $24 and above that all the other cards have.